guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna be doing a fidget haul from Fry's. So first, got the stretchy banana. So let's open it. Sorry about that noise. We're gonna take a little hole and like open it like this. That's so cool. Okay, so let's do the next one. This is so cool. It's longer than my head. So next, I got this squishy like thing. So let's open it. Okay, so opened it, and we're gonna take this plastic thing out. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. And like it's so sticky, so when you take it off, it goes like this. It like makes a really cool noise. Oh, I love this. I love these two. So, oh my gosh, look how big it is. So, I hope you liked my video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.